fishing is a popular sport in the Lake of the Ozarks. We're about to get schooled with a world champion fisherman, Marcus Sakur. One thing that the Lake of the Ozarks is known for is fishing, and I'm here with Marcus, the all-American champion, right, of bass fishing?
Yeah, absolutely.
This is so exciting. I'm actually fishing with you.
Well, that's cool. I don't know who's more excited, but that's great. Glad you could make it to Lake of the Ozarks.
So how did you become a bass fisherman, like a champion?
It's just one of my passions and one of my hobbies and one of the things that I work very hard at doing. And you know, it's one of those things that all started with my mother when she took me fishing when I was a very, very young kid, and I developed a passion for it, and then it's just totally exploded from there. What you got there, Mace?
A stick.
Oh, well, sometimes you catch sticks, right?
Hey, sticks can be exciting still.
All right, so we're gonna catch what today?
Daddy, bass.
Okay, if you're here and you don't have a boat, and your grandparents are here, you can just walk right out to the lake and start fishing, right?
Just walk right out to the lake and fishing around the docks or any, you know, we have some public fishing areas here. They've got some really nice docks with some nice rails so you can get the kids out there and not have to worry about them falling.
Madison got fish.
Oh, no. Oh, I think she does.
No, it just came off. It just came off. She had one.
That was close.
She had one, though.
I know, like, if you're a football player, you might take football classes or, you know, be on a team, but what do you do to become a fisherman if you're a kid? Like you are?
You know, I think it's just one of those things where, you know, where I'd first start looking for some sort of positive mentor in your life. You know, somebody who's been there, done that, somebody who can give you a little bit of knowledge and foresight, and then you can build off of those experiences.
I got one! I think I got one! Oh my gosh, I think I got one. Wait, help me, help me! Oh my God! Oh, I got one! Oh, I can't believe this! I can't believe this! Oh my gosh, I got one!
Let me help you out with that before it falls off here. Hang on.
Oh, this is fun. I'm addicted. Hi, little fishy. Oh, this is awesome. I love the Lake of the Ozarks. This is the first time I've done this in years. I can't believe this. My father would be proud. Oh!
I got you.
Ooh, teamwork, right? I caught it, you're gonna release him. All right.
And make sure we said let him go. Said let him get bigger fish. All right.
Ooh, good job. That was fun. That was awesome.